I love that on the Viking Designer Epic, there's more than one way to do one particular function. So for loading an embroidery design, there is multiple ways. So you do have your book that comes with it. These are all the built-in designs in the sampler book. And so if you're looking for a design, you can go ahead and come over to the flower on the pink little flag. Find the menu that it's in. So if this is B menu, B83, you can come to B, C, D, you can scroll. And when you find the design that you're looking for, you can touch and hold it. So if you're looking for a kitty, touch and hold, and the design will come onto your screen. You also have multiple ways to delete it. So I'm going to touch and hold. One way to delete it is just to slide up to the little bubble that has the trash can on it. And that delete is just to clear it from the screen. So delete sounds very permanent, but it's actually not. It's just clearing it. Another way to pick designs is by going up to the Joy OS Advisor and asking the machine, for example, like there are tons of designs in here with different techniques. There's cut work, there's applique, there's lace designs, there's quilting in the hoop. Oh my goodness, there's tons. So what you can actually do is ask the machine to show you, for example, all the applique embroidery designs. Now it's going to ask you, what kind of applique designs are you looking for? Do you want just the standard covered edge? Do you want raw edge? Do you want reverse applique? So let's just start with the basic one and select it. When you do this, this is kind of like opening up a little project. So it is going to come up with a tutorial. There will be a video oftentimes in these tutorials. So as you slide, if you see a little play button, you can do that. I'm going to minimize the tutorial of how to do applique. So all the techniques. So if you've heard me talk about cut work and you're like, how do we do cut work? When you select cut work designs, the cut work tutorial comes up with the videos. Oh my gosh, it's so easy. But what we've done is we've pulled, or the machine has pulled in all the designs that are just standard applique that are built into this design. So this is another way to pick design. So if I'm looking at this design, I can touch and hold and it will open up into the screen. Now it might change the hoop size, showing me that I can use one of my smaller hoops for this, and then I can decide from there what hoop I'm actually going to be using. But I love that it tells me that, you know what, this is a smaller design and this would be the size that you would do. Another way to bring designs in is from things that you have saved. You have on a USB stick that you've put into the side of the machine. If you had that in there, this would not be grayed out, but then you could touch that. This app happens to be the cloud that I save all my designs on, and so at any given time, I always have the designs with me on any machine at any location. So I am connected to the Wi-Fi of my home right now, and then my cloud, I am logged into that, and so if I am at my computer at the office, I can load designs onto the cloud, and then when I'm home, I can turn my machine on, and then they will show up instantly in this list. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. So there's always more than one way to select a design, and then when you're ready to embroider it, you can tell it which hoop you're using, and then, so if I have, for example, this one's the 260 by 200, and then I can move it around, and when I'm ready to embroider, just touch go.